Hey, welcome to a new day on Python coding. Yesterday, we worked on the getToDo's function. We added a default parameter. A default parameter means that when you call this function, for example, we call it here, down here, then you don't need to provide an argument for that function because you already have a default value for the argument. However, you know that you can always provide a value if you don't want to have that default argument. Then we also learned about docstrings. This here is a docstring, so it's a string with triple quotes, and in docstrings we write documentation for that particular function. So this should be some short text, one or more sentences describing what this function does. This is good because later on when you return to your code as a programmer, you can read and you know exactly what this function does. This is also helpful for other programmers who are not the authors of the code, so they can also understand the code written by other people. So be a good citizen and write docstrings. And now we're ready to develop this program even further. So I'm excited to continue working with you, and I'll see you in the next videos.